hope you are doing well. It's a lovely bright Saturday over here and I want to take my kids to the art center. There is this man I saw that like teaches kids arts, and I saw it when I went to Lekki Arts and Craft Market. So I asked him if he will be able to just, you know, teach my kids art over the weekend, like every Saturday or something like that. And he was very excited about it. He already has an art school, or a place where he trains children about art. I saw a girl drawing and I was so impressed, like she was doing painting on a canvas, and I was like, this is just amazing. So my kids, especially Tito, loves to draw. I don't know if I've shown you guys all the things Tito draws, so I want to see how we can help him encourage his art. Okay, he reminds me of me when I was younger. When I was younger, I would draw anywhere. I would draw a lot of things, but I didn't, it wasn't a skill that was encouraged back then, especially. But now, like, we can see the benefit of art everywhere. Right now, we can see how art is in the world. People are selling NFTs, things are happening. But anyways, the reason I want to take my kids there is so that they can develop their skills, like they can have an appreciation for art and all of that. So that's why I'm taking them there. It's me and Yomi going. I keep saying me, my kids. It's me and Yomi going because I encouraged him and I was like, let's do this together. And we want to start seeing if on the weekends we can start taking the kids swimming. We just want to spend more time as a family during the weekends, basically. So that's what we're doing today. I will take you along with me to show you snippets of what we get up to. Tiara is going to the art center. Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's going to learn how to draw and sing.
Tani has been saying Dada.
Tani, do not dare say Dada.
Wait, Tani actually learned how to talk?
Can you imagine? Tito is saying it's her choice. Tani, is it your choice to say Dada, or were you coerced into saying Dada? You were coerced. It wasn't your choice.
It was.
I need to do Tani's hair. Right now, I don't understand. Okay, I don't understand what's going on. I think I'll just have to brush it. Yeah, you can make something like this. You want to learn?
Yeah, it's really cool.
Okay.
I think Mommy, do you see that someone with the hat?
Yeah.
I think I've seen that at Strawberry. I just got my copy.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
I've actually picked a hat in school.
Oh me, oh my, I wonder why I'm such a splendid butterfly. Oh me, oh my, I wonder why I'm such a splendid butterfly.
not supposed to come here. You see me opening something upside down. But I got new pots from our place. You know there's sales going on now. And I had to buy a pot to match our new kitchen. You know, pot to match the... Now that I've said match, you can kind of guess the color that is here. So take a few seconds to guess. Take a few seconds to guess what color. If you said yellow, you are right. So I got the pot set and the pan. I have the green our place pan, but I wanted to get the pot. So yeah, that's what I got for this. Oh, okay, something to place the pot. So then anything else inside. So that's my pot unboxing. That's the quickest unboxing I've ever done. And it came with a ladle. Okay, this ladle is different from the ladle I got with the pan. So yeah, just leave this here. And came with a sponge. This is the sponge for, you know, washing the body. So I have the green pan at home. So I got yellow of the pot and yellow of the pan, just to, you know, for aesthetic reasons. And I like the pan. And the one at home, I was using it to cook something and the thing burnt and the non-stickness died. So this one is for filming, no handling, and it has its own ladle here. Aesthetically pleasing yellow pot from our place. Okay, so it has this, is it trivet? You can put your pot if it's 2 pots. I like that. You guys, what did Yemisi do? Yemisi bought a pink fridge. It's a pink and white fridge. I've been loving this fridge for over a year. It was very expensive, but then Game was closing down. Game, the store in Nigeria, was closing down, and this thing went from full price to half price. I cannot believe how lucky I am to get it. So we're going to install it now, you guys. Can you see? And in my perfect shade of pink. You guys, if I could see a microwave in this color, an oven in this color, I would have added it. But let's see if the fridge is going to fit into that space. I hope it fits perfectly. So we need to be able to enter. This is our fridge. Oh, much more bigger than what was here before. What was here was very tiny. But yeah, so the top is the fridge and the bottom, which is the white part, okay, it's still sealed. The bottom is the freezer. So before I only had this space for freezer, but now I have 3. And I am so happy. Is our tear rubber free? Let's tear the rubber. You guys, I'm so extra. Let's tear the rubber. I like tear rubber things. Oh God. And it is a tearing rubber. We are tearing the rubber. We are tearing the rubber. Like, this pink fridge makes me so happy because the day I found it, I was so sad because I could not afford it. So I went home and I was just like, if only I was a billionaire. And then for it to go to like half price, I'm like, are you kidding me? And I've seen this fridge since like maybe January or so, or even last year, I don't know, I can't remember, but long time. And now it's just like a dream come true. You think like I'm just getting a car. But yeah, really happy for my fridge. And I'm also happy it does not have like the brand on it. Like the brand is not, you know, like some other fridges you see the brand like boldly written on it. I can't see the brand's name. Tantan. Tantan. Hello, Mama. How are you, darling? This is what they like playing with. Of all the things, it will be the bottle.
Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires.
The beauty of this job is the delicious things we have to eat. And that is one of the challenges as well, because you have to stay fit actively. So good. If you want to see the recipe, leave a comment.
Or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason. And a little bit of faith has got to come my way.
Design Week Lagos, and it was so inspiring just to see beautiful furniture, expensive furniture and stuff. Always inspires me to work harder so that I can achieve what I want to achieve. But it was lovely. Hello guys, we are at the Good Beach and they are doing Abula festival today, which is Amala, a Wedu Begiri. That's what I'm hoping to see here today. So we just got here.
Hello.
Are you going to eat Amala? Eh?
I like Kamala.
You like Amala, so let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Oh my God! As she told us, she was sure. Oh, congrats!
Tiara loves her Amala. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy. So she's licking hands, licking plates. This is the Iya Yusuf Amala, and I think it's actually nice. Hello guys, good afternoon, because I wanted to say morning, but it's afternoon. We're on our way out. It's a birthday party just for girls. So I realized doing a birthday today. I think it's her 3rd birthday. I don't know if you guys know Ariella, Stephanie Coker's daughter. Tiara was reading the book a few weeks back on my Instagram page. Anyway, that's the birthday we're going for. Tito and his daddy, they want to chill at home, so they will have fun. Tito does not like going out, but Tiara, if you say ah, she will say tss. Before you say ah, she go say tss. She loves going out like a mommy. So this is the gift we picked. It's a kitchen set, and I thought it was appropriate, seeing what I do for a living, to gift someone a kitchen set. So it's for the 3-year-old. This is a tea set, but I just thought the kitchen set was more interesting. Let's say happy birthday to a princess. Yeah, I like this, to a princess. Really cute, and it's pink, and it's a black girl. Then this one is Peppa Pig. So I thought this thing was talking. How do you press it? This Peppa Pig. Oh, okay. Yeah, I thought this was cute as well. Oh my goodness, Tito is going to love this. Oh, should I buy it? Maybe I should buy it and save it for Christmas. Yep, I think that's what I'll do. Sonic Racing.
Yes.
Okay, so the thing runs.
Yes.
Even though it says 5+, 3+, Tito is a big boy. What? It's just that for some reason he really likes this Sonic. Barbie world. It's like I don't know, yeah,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Whoa, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
See? These guys are crawling.
Yay! See how Tani is crawling. Tani is crawling. Whoa! Finally.
Censor.
Yeah, baby. Yes.
She
Go, girl.
This is how Tani crawls. She takes one leg, tries, and she doesn't move. Adjusts it, and she moves the tiny bit, and then the same leg.
Tani, what is that part of the crawling?
Yep. And this one for you. Even though it's fall. See? Tani's crawling back.
Well done.
Yay! Go, Tani! Yay!
Now Tani can crawl anywhere she wants, and she doesn't need to be carried.
Okay, big madam. You can crawl anywhere you want. That's awesome. We just got home. Today was a lovely day, and I kind of feel like I'm in lifted spirits. I kind of feel like I can feel Christmas in the air. When we got back, it was late, and on the way it was dark, and I could see a lot of Christmas decoration, and I kind of feel like I'm ready to decorate for Christmas now. Let me know in the comment section, do you decorate before 1st of December, or when do you decorate for Christmas? I know some people decorate from as early as, let's say, mid-November, but I think that's a little bit early. But I'm ready to decorate now. It's not December yet, but I'm ready to decorate because I can see decorations everywhere. I can feel the Christmas spirit, and I am so excited for this season. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Use your clothes, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.